Hedra AI is making waves as an AI video tool, but is it really worth your time and money? Today we're diving into its features and functionality to see if it lives up to the hype or if it falls flat. Hedra AI positions itself as a comprehensive video creation tool powered by artificial intelligence. Its core functionality revolves around simplifying the video production process, allowing users to generate content quickly and efficiently. The platform seems particularly tailored for marketers, educators, and content creators who need to churn out videos without extensive technical know-how. One standout feature is its user-friendly interface, which makes navigating through various tools fairly straightforward. However, while creating videos feels intuitive, there are moments where the functionality leaves you wanting more. For example, the customization options can feel somewhat limited, which could be frustrating for more advanced users looking for specific features. The intended audience is broad, but it seems like beginners might benefit the most from its simplicity. Still, it would be nice to see more detailed information about specific capabilities and integrations. Overall, while the concept is solid, some aspects of the platform feel a bit vague or underdeveloped. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Hedra AI's ease of use is a huge plus for newcomers to video editing. The speed at which you can produce content is impressive, allowing for quick turnaround times. However, there are notable frustrations as well. The customization options can feel quite basic, which might not satisfy more experienced creators. Another concern is transparency around pricing and features. If you dig a little deeper, you might find that some functionalities are locked behind higher tier plans, which can be a letdown. This could deter budget-conscious users who are looking for comprehensive tools without the hidden costs. In summary, while some users may find it beneficial for simple projects, those seeking advanced features or flexibility might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Hedra AI could be a decent option for those just starting out in video creation, but it may not be the best fit for seasoned creators looking for depth and customization. If you're curious, it's worth trying out, but do keep an eye on those pricing tiers and feature limitations before fully committing.